We're going to do this one called Dead Flowers. Well, when you're sitting there in your silk upholstered chair, talking to some rich folks that you know, well, I hope you don't see me and my ragged company. You know I could never be alone. Take me down, little Susie, won't you take me down? I know you think you're the queen of the underground. You can send me dead flowers every morning. Send me dead flowers by the mail. Send me dead flowers to my wedding. And I won't forget to put roses on your grave. Well, when you're sitting back in a long pink Cadillac, making bets on Kentucky Derby, I'll be in my basement room with a needle and a spoon. Another girl, take my pain away. Take me down, little Susie, won't you take me down? I know you think you're the queen of the underground. You can send me dead flowers every morning. Send me dead flowers by the mail. Send me dead flowers to my wedding. And I won't forget to put roses on your grave. Take me down, little Susie, won't you take me down? I know you think you're the queen of the underground. You can send me dead flowers every morning. Send me dead flowers by the USA. Send with dead flowers to my wedding. And I won't forget to put roses on your grave. Oh, I won't forget to put roses on your grave. Tyler Sheldon. Thanks, Tyler.